Gut health is a major problem in today's world. Thing is, there's a natural way to heal your it, ease digestive discomfort, and improve overall health, all without medication. Have you ever thought that the answer might lie in something as ancient as fasting? The secret to a healthy gut could be just a few hours of not eating. You won't want to miss this. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start by understanding one of the most effective forms of fasting for gut health: early time restricted feeding, also known as eTRF. Early time restricted feeding is a type of intermittent fasting that limits the time of your eating window during daylight to consume all your meals. It's typically between 6 to 8 hours, usually starting in the morning and finishing in the early afternoon. For example, you might have your first meal at 7 a.m. and finish your last meal by 1 p.m. Outside of this window, you fast, allowing your body to rest and repair without digesting food for the remaining 16 to 18 hours. Why eTRF? Studies show that eating earlier in the day when our metabolism is at its peak aligns with our natural circadian rhythm. This approach not only supports weight loss, but also has a profound impact on gut health. By giving your digestive system a longer break, eTRF promotes healthier digestion, reduces inflammation, and gives your gut bacteria the time they need to thrive. Plus, it helps stabilize blood sugar and improve energy levels throughout the day. But eTRF is just the beginning. Let's talk about how fasting impacts the gut microbiota. The microbiota is the community of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, that live in your digestive tract. This community plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. When it comes to fasting, studies show that it can positively influence the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut. During periods of fasting, the gut gets a break from constantly digesting food, which allows it to shift its focus toward maintaining and restoring the gut microbiome. Beneficial bacteria, like Akkermansia muciniphila and Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, help reduce inflammation plus strengthen the gut lining, and tend to thrive when the gut is not constantly flooded with food. Moreover, fasting can help reduce the overgrowth of harmful bacteria and yeast, like Candida, which thrives when the gut is in a constant state of digestion. When you fast, your body and gut bacteria shift their focus to breaking down stored fat, rather than carbs from food, which can help rebalance the microbiota and improve digestive efficiency. Over time, this can lead to a more diverse and resilient microbiome, which is key to overall health. The gut lining is the barrier that protects your body from harmful substances like toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles. When this lining is disrupted, a condition known as leaky gut, it can lead to inflammation and a host of digestive issues. Fortunately, fasting plays a key role in repairing the gut lining. One of the key mechanisms at work during fasting is autophagy, a process in which your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Fasting stimulates autophagy, which helps repair the gut lining by promoting the turnover of cells in the intestinal walls. This can help seal up any gaps or weaknesses in the gut barrier, reducing the risk of harmful particles leaking into your bloodstream. Additionally, fasting reduces gut inflammation by lowering the production of inflammatory cytokines and allowing your immune system to focus on healing. When your gut isn't constantly working to digest food, it has more energy to repair itself, reducing the risk of long-term damage. Fasting can also have a significant impact on chronic digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, ulcerative colitis, and other forms of chronic inflammation in the gut. These conditions are often caused or exacerbated by imbalances in gut bacteria, inflammation, or a weakened gut lining, all of which can be addressed through fasting. For example, in people with IBS, the gut can become overly sensitive to food, leading to bloating, gas, and discomfort. Fasting gives the gut time to rest, reducing the frequency and severity of IBS flare-ups. Similarly, for people with conditions like ulcerative colitis, fasting can help reduce gut inflammation, lower the risk of flare-ups, and promote the healing of the intestinal lining. Chronic inflammation in the gut is also associated with autoimmune conditions, and by giving the gut time to repair, fasting can lower the inflammatory response and help manage these issues more effectively. In short, fasting can act as a natural reset button for your digestive system, promoting a healthier, more balanced gut. So, why should you specifically consider early time-restricted feeding for improving your gut health? The answer lies in its ability to optimize your circadian rhythm. the internal clock that governs many of your body's processes, including digestion. Eating during daylight hours when your body is naturally prepared to digest food means less strain on your digestive system. It also allows your body to use the fasting hours for repair and restoration. eTRF not only improves gut health, but also enhances metabolic health by stabilizing blood sugar and reducing insulin resistance, which are closely linked to gut issues. By aligning your eating patterns with your body's natural rhythms, eTRF can help reduce chronic inflammation, repair the gut lining, and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Additionally, eTRF helps improve digestion by allowing the gut a longer break from processing food, which prevents the overgrowth of harmful bacteria and promotes the health of the gut microbiota. By eating earlier in the day, you also support better sleep quality, which is essential for overall gut health. While fasting can offer powerful benefits for gut health, it's important to be mindful of potential nutrient deficiencies. They can arise if you're not eating a balanced diet during your eating window. Nutrient deficiencies can undermine the health benefits you're trying to achieve, particularly if your diet lacks key amino acids, vitamins, fatty acids, and minerals needed to maintain a healthy gut. For example, if your diet lacks sufficient fiber, you may not be supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Fiber is the food of your bacteria, and without it, you may disrupt the balance of your microbiota. Likewise, deficiencies in vitamins like B12, D, magnesium, zinc, and essential amino acids can impair your body's ability to repair the gut lining and maintain digestive health. To prevent these issues, it's crucial to ensure that your meals, during your eating window, are nutrient-dense and balanced. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods rich in proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and consider taking a multivitamin if necessary. Fasting is a tool to enhance your gut health, but the quality of the food you eat during your eating window is equally important. Remember, don't reduce calories. In conclusion, fasting has a profound impact on gut health, with numerous benefits for the microbiota, gut lining, and overall digestive function. By giving the gut a break from constant digestion, fasting helps to restore balance to the gut microbiota. Beneficial bacteria thrive, while harmful microbes are kept in check, leading to a more diverse and resilient gut ecosystem. Fasting also promotes autophagy, a natural process that repairs and strengthens the gut lining, reducing inflammation and the risk of leaky gut. This is especially helpful for those dealing with chronic digestive issues like IBS and ulcerative colitis, as fasting provides the gut with much-needed time to heal and reset. Early time-restricted feeding aligns your eating patterns with your body's natural circadian rhythms, optimizing digestion and supporting gut health. It allows your gut an extended period of rest for repair. However, while fasting is a powerful tool for gut health, it's essential to remain cautious of nutrient deficiencies. A balanced food plan rich in proteins, fiber, vitamins, and minerals during your eating window is crucial for maintaining the benefits of fasting and supporting long-term digestive health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.